What's up guys? For today's video we are trying to reach 8 trillion by using this new fruit. This new fruit called football by the event. And for today's video we are trying to grow it huge. We're trying to grow the biggest fruit ball and grow a garden. Okay. All we need to do is to plant. And by the way, this is my garden. So weird, right? Okay, let's start. We're all we need is here. We need some triceratops. Okay, I have this one. I have this one. By the way, triceratops is useful because triceratops runs into 3 random plants and advise their grow by 33 ml has 44% chance to do it again each time. Okay, that's why the triceratops is useful. So we need to plant this. Oh, by the way, we are trying to do the cut method, but we need to grow this plant 100%. So that we can do the mooncat method. We'll wait to grow this 100%. So we're back in the game. So this is what we get. 2%. So we need to water it. Guys. We need to water it. Oh, there he is. Oh, all we need to do is water it. So it can grow big. Look at that. That's so big. And we got 29% grow. Okay. Okay. That's look like mango fruit. Okay. And I don't know what is the fruit look like. It look like a ball because fruit ball. I think so. Okay. Oh. Nice one, Mimi. Let's go, Mimi. Okay. Then the fruit is wow, fruit ball. It look like fruit. And we have a gold one here. Oh, hey bro, what's up? Bro? Okay, what we need to do is pick up the 3 triceratops. We little bit careful because I didn't want to pick the big one. Okay, the big one's left, and we're gonna do mooncat. Prepare the mooncat. Okay, mooncat. Oh, I know I have 4 mooncat and harvest tool. And well, by the way, it's trowel too. Okay. We wait for the triceratops going in 120 minutes. So 1 minute and 20 seconds, so we can harvest it. That's one is huge, man. Look, look. That one is looking big, right? This is the new seeds. We're getting much as shekels. We're getting this much as expensive. We need to magnify this one. Let's see if it's expensive, right? This one. Okay. This gold one is 157,000 shekels. I'm sub you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'll give something for you later. Okay. Oh, we're late, man. The Triceratops is 34 seconds. Oh, man. Okay, we need to try it later. Oh, we need to harvest it. And master sprinklers. Okay, master sprinklers. Let's go. Triceratops. And advance. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's so lag, man. It's so lag. Let's go. You can. Boom. Boom, we got a gold one. Okay, that's a good size. That's a good size, man. That's a good size. Okay, we need to magnify it. This is the gold one. Okay. Oh, we got 1 million. Okay, not bad. This one is. Oh, what's that? Oh, the event. 91 shekels, and we got 1 million shekels. Okay, I think this is the big one. It's so lag. Okay, 100. Okay, not bad, but I think that's little. That's medium size, so we can get a big one, right? We can get a big one. The 1 million is so close. We need to get 10 billion. We need to get it. I know it's hard, but we need to get it, man. Let's go. Okay, need to wait the Triceratops. So we can put the mooncat. We need to prepare the trowel. Okay, and here we is. If we're not going to get in the cam, we're going to get it in the off cam. So we can do it perfectly, because if in off cam it's so lag. Oh my god, I almost can't do it because I put the mooncat. Here we go. We got the 21 minutes and 20 seconds, and we put the mooncat. Let's go. Here we is. And if they are sleeping each other, we need to throw that. Harvest and throw that, so we can put the fruit ball into where the place they were sleeping. I don't know, wala kong English, tang ina. Tagalog na lang. Oh, 2 million. May 2 million na tayo, par. Ay, wala pa yan. Ito, million. Ito kayang gold. 36 million, par. Dalawang mutation pa lang, gold at Tranquil. Oh God. Kayang-kaya natin to abutin ng 10 billion, par. 10 billion kapag ganito. Dalawang mutation pa lang yan, par. Gold at saka Tranquil. Pero 36 million na tayo. Okay? Antayin na lang natin. Harvest. Thrower. Okay. Okay. Okay, where is? Okay, there. There na lang. Because, dyan na lang natin ilagay. Kasi may sprinklers. At merong mooncat. At ayan. Papunta na yung body natin si Mimi. Sungagin mo. Boom. Paldo, par. Paldo. Ayan, paldo, par. Ang laki. Oh my God. Paldo, par. Paldo. Kasi may sprinklers doon. Kaya doon magnify natin. Okay, magnifying natin. We got boom. 200,000 shekels. But hindi ko pa tiningnan ang kanyang mutation. Kasi na-mutation siya ng Tranquil. Eto. We got 300. Oh. Ito mas malaki. Ito mas malaki kasi 300. Oh, 400. Meron pa palang mas malaki, par. Meron pang mas malaki. 300. Okay. 400 shekels yung mas malaki sa atin. Okay. At tignan natin kung magkano. 4 million. 8 million. Isang mutation. Kayang-kaya natin to maabot ng 10 billion, par. Kayang-kaya natin to. So, ulitin natin. Kukunin natin yung mooncat. Pick up natin. Pick up natin yung mooncat. Antayin natin matulog. Antayin natin ng 120 ulit. Para. Okay. May Tranquil mutation. We get 6 million. I think 4 plus. Oh, we got almost 15 million, par. We get almost 10 million. Oh, we are so close to 15 million, par. I think we get a 15 million. But we goal is 10 billion, right? We need to get the 10 billion into the new proceeds. Okay, let's go. Okay, we need to put the mooncat because it's almost time. Okay, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. We need to put it. Okay. Okay, there he is. Okay. I wish we got the biggest one. Okay. I wish. We have a subscriber there. Okay. If the mooncat, it gets timer 20 seconds. Okay, mamaya i-harvest natin to. Tapos ibibenta natin. Gusto ko 10 billion. Sana maabot natin yung 10 billion, par. Sobrang kasi. Pero okay lang, okay lang. Okay, ma-harvest na natin. Harvest na natin. Siguraduhin natin walang natira. Okay, walang natira. Tapos puntahan natin yung mooncat kung saan sila matutulog. Oh, ito. Oy, tatlo. Tatlo dito, par. Yan, tatlo. Tatlo dito, nagsasabay sila matulog. Ayan. Antayin na lang natin si Mimi. Mimi, come on. Come on, Mimi. Boom. Paldo, par. Paldo. Ayan. Okay, mas malaki pa yung kanina. Pero magnifying natin para malaman, di ba? Magnifying natin, mga par. Magnifying guys. Okay? And 200. Okay, mas malaki pa yung kanina. Mas malaki pa yung kanina. Eto kaya. Okay, we got 4 million kasi may mutation na siya. 100. Mas malaki pa yung kanina, no? Pero not bad. Kukunin naman natin ulit yung Mooncat. Kailangan ko mag-grind ng naka-off cam. Kailangan ko ata mag-grind ng naka-off cam. Okay. Yan yung mutation isa. Expect natin 3 million. Kailangan ko mag-grind ng off cam, guys. Okay? Papakita ko na lang mamaya. Kailangan ko mag-grind ng off cam. At guys, sa ating pagbabalik. Wala, hindi nakakaya. Ilang na kayo. Mas lalong lumiit. Mas lalong lumiit. Mas lalo siyang lumiit. Pero harvest natin. Kasi ita-try natin. Kasi marami tayong na-harvest dito eh. I-favorite lang natin yung mga ano, mga hindi ano, fruit ball. Favorite lang natin kasi ang ibibenta lang natin ay yung fruit ball. Okay? Doon natin makamay na ano. Meron tayong bumloso. Okay. I-harvest pa natin ito. Wait lang. Sana umabot tayo ng 10 billion. Okay? Eto na. Dito tayo magkakalaman. I want to sell my inventory. Okay? We got 100 million. Yun lang nakaya natin, guys. Yun lang nakaya natin. Yun lang. Gusto nyo ganitong video, click nyo ang subscribe. Okay? Babush!